Can white vinegar be used on all hair types to remove permanent hair dye?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a rather interesting topic. Can we use white vinegar to remove permanent hair dye from all types of hair? Vinegar is a staple in many homes, known for its versatility in cooking, cleaning, and even beauty routines. But can it really work its magic in removing permanent hair dye? Let's dive in.
What makes white vinegar effective?
White vinegar is acidic, which is the key reason why it can be effective in fading hair dye. The acetic acid in vinegar can help strip away the color from your hair, making it an option when you're trying to remove permanent hair dye. But remember, it's not a guaranteed solution and may only fade the dye rather than remove it entirely.
Can white vinegar be used on all hair types?
Well, the short answer is, it depends. While vinegar is generally safe to use on all hair types, it's important to consider the condition of your hair. If your hair is dry, damaged, or chemically treated, the acidity in vinegar can potentially cause further damage or dryness. Hence, for these hair types, it's recommended to use it with caution and perhaps consider professional consultation first.
How to use white vinegar to remove hair dye?
Here's a general guide. 1. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water. 2. After washing your hair with a clarifying shampoo, apply this vinegar water solution to your hair and scalp. 3. Leave the solution on for about 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Remember, always do a strand test first to see how your hair reacts to the vinegar. This is especially important if you have dry or damaged hair. Also, vinegar may not completely remove all the dye, but it can help fade it. So there you have it. Yes, white vinegar can be used to remove or fade permanent hair dye, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution and should be used with caution, especially on dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair. It's always a good idea to seek professional advice when dealing with hair treatments. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Until next time, take care.